y'all, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my family not here tonight, surprise me. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys all my slimes because I made more, so yep. And just in case they're sticky, got some Tide and clear Tide. So first slime I'm gonna be doing is my purple crunchy slime that I made the other day with my cousin 2 days ago. I think, yeah, 2 days ago. So let's make this, so you guys can't really see. So yeah, I zoomed it in. So yep. So let's make this purple crunchy slime. Got these little beads from Dollar Tree. It's really good. I made it. It's not really sticky like how it's supposed to be. It's not really sticky, but it's supposed to be sticky so the bees won't fall out. But yeah. Other than that, this slime is really, really good. It's a crunchy slime, as you can see. You see little beads in it. They're falling out everywhere. Whatever. So next slime. Okay. Put that on the side right here. And I have these, and I got these little tennis from Dollar Tree. So next one I have is this one. I made this slime yesterday. No, the other day with my cousins here. I can't even open the thing. But this cloud slime is really sticky. I really don't want to take it out, but I think I should just use this one last. I already have it out, so it's like this, like goldish cloud slime. Take it out, but it's really, really sticky. But I have activator, so it's gonna be fine. So, I don't know why cloud slime. Probably because like it's from diapers. Because usually, like people when they make cloud slime with instant snow, it don't be sticky like this. Other than that, this slime is really, really good. It's just sticky, and it's very, very big. And then look, you open it, it's like this slowly. There we go. So next slime, because I really like this slime. So put this in this container. It's gonna have a little bit of beads in it, because the beads fell out. And I feel like picking them up because they're very small. So, gotta get the next slime. Okay, next slime. It's this one I made yesterday. It's a green fluffy slime. It's kind of sticky, but it's very fine. It has some activator inside it. It's bull. So, let's have that. Move that out the way. Other than the slime being sticky, it's not good because it's like a fluffy slime, and I don't really like fluffy slimes. Like I only like a light fluff, which is like a little bit of fluffy, but not as fluffy as this. So any slime that I don't like, I'm gonna be giving it away on my shop, my slime and clothes shop. So next slime, because I don't feel like playing with this. It's very nasty. I'm gonna put this inside this container. Ew. Oh, I should do this one last. It's fine. So next slime I have is this pink slime that I made with my cousin the other day. Got some foam on top because I forgot. I left some foam in it. So it's kind of like, you know those little foam things at the top of people's slimes? And they put foaming hands. So mine had that, but I forgot to, do like that real bit. So it's going to be fine. And it's getting a lot of green in it. But it'll be very fine because I can add some more, red to it. Add some more red to it because I got this pink that you guys can't really see. So I got this pink color. I might just like sit down or something. So I'm sitting now comfortably. So it's poking. Well, I'm not gonna be doing poking. At the end, I'm not saying the names of them because I'm gonna say it at the end of this video. So next slime. So I had this. I was just literally about to say the name. Have I said the name? I don't know. No, I didn't say the name. So I have this like red glittery slime. It's really, really good. Got a lot of glitters. I'm gonna show the slimes again because for you guys that like to skip through the video. So yep, here's a red slime. Next, let's put this in this container. Next, so I have this glossy white slime. I really should put these slimes. After this, I'm gonna put the slimes back inside the box. Let's see how much I got more. I have 1 and 2 and 3. 3 more after this, so I have like, tell you how much slimes I have and what names there is for name. Then this is a white glossy slime, poking. It's on fleek. Yes. Other than that, this slime is really, really great. I guess. Okay. Overflowing. And now, next slime. Next one. Okay. So I have like, I might add some stuff to it, but I have to clean up in here first. It's a lot of glue bottles. I have 1, 2, 3. This is a little 8-ounce one, 2, and 3 of these. 8-ounce, and then I have 3 of these 5-ounce. And I still have glue in them. I tried to get them out today. I tried to get all of it out today. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4 slimes left. So let's just go ahead and put these back in there. Okay. So I'm just going to put these back in here. So I did that one. I already know which ones I didn't do because I honestly know because these are the slimes. But I don't know why I'm putting them back. If I still have to name them. But it's going to be fine. I guess. That there. The next slime I have is this. I guess it's turquoise. It's inside this little cheese thing, whatever. But that's keep on inside of them. That like one of these looks. I mean, 2 of these. Yes, mommy. I'm gonna do it after I'm done with this video. Oh, okay. I have to go fix some red. Wait. Like that? You're on it. So you straighten it out, look. back to the video. So, I have this. Wait, where's the trainer? Okay, trainer's up there. Oh, it's so clear I can even see it. Like, you guys can't really see it. So I'm just like, I'm gonna block you. But it's like this turquoise, greenish color, I guess I would say. But it's kind of sticky. She's about to put on TV, so don't mind the background noises already before she puts on TV. We have these little, for my crunchy purpose, like, have beads in it. I'm cool with that. So, that is it's very small. It is turquoise green color. So, let's get on with the next slime. Wait, no, I'm not gonna get it. I'm just gonna keep on playing with it. Let's get on with the next slime. So, I gotta move these food colorings to get to the next slime. So, I guess I have this blue one. It has water in it, so I have to be careful about that. Oh gosh. So I made this one the other day with my cousin. It's a blue slime. It's a blue. Let me feel the texture. It's a light fluff. My favorite type of fluff is slime. A light fluff. So, Mommy, you can watch TV if you want. So, it's really good. It's really scratchy. There's nothing bad about this. It's only one thing. It only like dye it a little bit, like your nails. So, it's very fine. It dyes your hands. Okay, so this slime is also really good, and I'm gonna have to keep this slime out because place it right there because I have one under here. Gotta move that. And here comes the yellow slime. It's really good. Gotta go get it back to my sister. I kind of boot game it for some videos. So yeah, I made it though. There go my mom's hands right there. Right up there. Right up there. There go her hands. And there go her legs. Wait. Right up there. Right up there. Yeah. So this almost like me. It's this yellow slime. It's really good. So I have one more slime after this. Where's the blue slime? Okay, I found the blue slime. I finally, oh gosh. Now it's gonna start getting messed up. So I will be right back. I'll be right back. I think the slime's on top of it. So guys, I'm back. So I think the slime's on top of it. Now what have I done? Okay, so I have it. I think you guys saw it. So I guess I would just be like organizing this. Wait! So I guess in that peaches slime, that peach slime, I will be putting some shaving foam. Whatever. Shaving foam, shaving cream. I really don't care what it's called. So, yeah, everything's getting messed up, but it's very fine. It's fine. Nada. It's not fine. So now I have to clean up this in the middle of the video. But it's fine. It's not supposed to happen. Let me get my mixing tool. So I think now it's fine. I guess I'll just put, nope. I have to wait. I have to wait, you guys. I'll do that at the end of the video, so I guess I have this pizza. Oh, I don't know why I'm showing you guys the bag, because it had the name on it. But it's very small, but it's still, you guys can see it. So I'm trying not to show you guys the name until the end.
Tell one of your assistants to get the broom and dustpan and sweep that hair along the wall.
That's Benaya from when she was doing sugar. That's Benaya from when she was doing sugar hair yesterday. That's not Marley hair. You welcome. Look at the hair.
Hey, my God, I just hit on my foot.
I'm guessing that there's a bead in here. Yep, found it. There's a little, wait, okay, I got it. There's a little tiny one of these beads, but it's fine. I'll keep it in there. So I have my Handy Dandy raspberry scented shaving foam. Plop that top off. That top off. Wait, put this top back on. Wait. Ooh. Shake that shaving foam up. Oh yeah, baby. There's a butter slime. Wait, see? Look at that. Spreads really, really good. But I'm gonna have it a butter flow slime. So I'm gonna add little bit by little. There. You see the little swirl right there. And just take it and go on. I have two actually. Two little beads in this. So I just like spread it. I open it. But I'm gonna make another one. Spread it. I open it. And then I'm gonna make another one. Spread it. I open it. Now I'm just gonna really mix it in. See what that does. And then if it don't do how I wanted it to do, then I'll put more. Don't mind this. Just like, don't mind if I do. I'm gonna just do this. There we go. Bruh. You freaking serious? Yeah. Now, whatever. It's just gonna have to stay like that, y'all. So, do another little swirl if I can do it. There. It's not really a swirl. So I'm just going like this. And put like a little bubble. And then with the cherry on top like that. And then let's just keep on doing that, I guess. Plop! Oh! I made a bubble. Up! Low! Oopsies. Yep. I made a bubble. I'm just gonna have to squeeze it. Yes, I just squeezed it, so after this, I'm definitely done. It's a shaving flow, because I don't really want it to be like fluffy fluff. Dina!
What? I got him.
Your leg is on the camera.
Oh, snap. Got her what?
Along the wall.
But it's
Like,
not
you like somebody come quick and pick it up. I hate when I do stuff like
really good. And then I'm add some more. I said I was gonna be done, guys, but I guess I'm not. Huh. Now I'm officially done with that. I'm going ham on the shaving with the rat. I'm going wait. Oh my gosh, it's kind of hard to put this on. I'm going ham with the raspberry shaving foam because it smells so good. See that? Yeah, shaving foam. I guess I'm just gonna add some more on top. Do the same thing, and just go by side and side, and just doing that. Side, 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 side. Side, 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 side. And it got lighter and it got fluffier. So I guess it's like a butter fluffy slime. What colors did I use? I'm gonna add some more of those colors. I'm gonna tell y'all how to I'm gonna show y'all how y'all make this peach color. Let's take the slime off of it. You need colors, ba-bam, yellow, and ba-bam, red. I know, right? Yellow and red. But you see this color now? It's going to be darker when I add 1 drop of red, a little tiny drop, and 1 drop of yellow, a little tiny drop, and then let's have to go side by side, by side, by side, by side, by side, by side, by side. And yeah, I guess it's just gonna be finished. But you're gonna need some more, so it can be darker, dark. So I really didn't change it because I didn't add a lot. So I really didn't want it to be dark. But you know what? Now I do. So I'm gonna add 2 more drops. That's gonna be 3 drops of red and 3 drops of yellow. Sorry, my mom's back to watching TV. Finally. Here's what I did. 2 little tiny drops of red. Pam. You can see the red right here. And then I'm gonna do 2 tiny drops of yellow. Pam. There we go. So I did that. Yeah, she's putting on music and my song. Santa Claus, let's try to show you love. Let me out of that. Where the party at? So it got darker. You can't really tell on camera, but it got darker. In my hand. So I've been playing with this song too long. That's my favorite song. So now let's start telling you the names after I put this one inside the plastic bag. So this slime, as you can see, is called peach strawberry. This slime is called my white gloss. This is called my white gloss slime. I don't think you guys can hear me. This is called my strawberry shortcake. My gold crunch, my gold cloud slime, my green fluff slime. Wait guys, I need to tighten up a bit. Where's blue? Somewhere here, but right here. I was right in my face. This is called my crunch slime, my my pink fluff slime, my blue light fluff slime, and my lemon slime. So now let's see how I'm gonna place this. I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Wait. No, I don't, because the shaving, I'm just going to put the shaving cream where it's going to go, so I can know how much space I'm going to need after that. So shaving foam, you're going to be right there. Oh, so I'm going to put this first, and then I'm going to put the cloud slime in second, and then I'm put this slime right here. Slime stack. I think I'm just gonna go with 2. I'm guessing. And then 2 right there, and 1 right there in the middle, and then this one to go right here. And this is gonna just kind of be on the top. So let's get a little sneak peek if I can. My mom's asleep. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here, how does it look? I have 1, my Elmer's bottles of glue, my CVS bottles of glue, my paint, my yellow paint, my green paint, and my gold paint, my yellow food coloring, my red food coloring is right there, my blue is right there, and my green is right there. Green, red, yellow, blue. And then I have the shaving cream bottle right there. And then it goes all the way over there. And I have these little 2 missing 2s. So it's like this paint that going out. And then it's this one. Now that one, the green one is for when I when I write my names on the slimes who it goes to. And that one is, the red one is for stirring. So yeah. Peace. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Please, Unicorn Squad. Peace.